Connecting PayPal to Shopify allows you to accept payments from customers and expand your business reach. To set up and integrate PayPal with Shopify, follow these steps. First, ensure you have a Shopify account and a PayPal business account. Log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Settings section. Then click on Payment Providers. Click on Add Payment Provider and select PayPal from the list of available payment gateways. You will be redirected to the PayPal website to authenticate your account. Enter your PayPal email and password to grant Shopify permission to access your PayPal account. After authentication, you will be redirected back to your Shopify admin panel. In the Payment Providers section, you will see PayPal listed as a payment provider. Click on Edit to configure the PayPal payment settings. In the PayPal settings, you can choose the type of PayPal payment you want to accept, such as PayPal Express Checkout or PayPal Payments Standard. You can also set up the payment action, which determines how the payment is processed. Choose Capture to capture the payment immediately or Authorize to authorize the payment for later. Capture. To test the PayPal payment gateway, go to your Shopify store and add a product to the cart. Proceed to checkout and select PayPal as the payment method. You will be redirected to the PayPal website to complete the payment. After completing the payment, you will be redirected back to your Shopify store and the order will be marked as paid. It is essential to note that PayPal has transaction fees, so you should factor these fees into your pricing strategy. Additionally, ensure that your Shopify store and PayPal account are set up to comply with the terms of service and security requirements of both platforms. By following these steps, you can successfully connect PayPal to Shopify and start accepting payments from customers. This integration will help you to streamline your payment process and improve your customer experience.